Hi guys, if you're an owner of one of the late model Mercedes built in the last 10 years, chances are that your key at some point will stop working and there will be some issues that you will not be able to do. One is your remote control will no longer work. You will not be able to unlock and lock the doors, start the car, or centrally lock it. By design, Mercedes will not allow you to lock the doors by pushing the lock on the driver's door, and you have to go about it. The easiest way to do it is you just get out of the car, close the driver's door, open the trunk manually, and then push the lock button on the right hand side, which will close the trunk and lock all the doors at the same time. So if your battery is dead, another thing you will not be able to do is your keyless start will not work. So you have to remove the little knob that closes it. You can use your fingers or the spare key or a screwdriver, and the push button will easily jump out, but just save that for later. And you will insert not that key, the old key original, turn it, you start like in the old days, and the car will start. After you replace the battery, you will need that cover, the jump start, keyless entry. You just insert it basically with the light push, and it will snap in, and you'll be back in business. Now let's take a look how to replace the battery the easy way. Removing the mechanical key is pretty straightforward. You can use a nail or a little pen or a screwdriver and pull down the black latch and the key should pop out. You need to use that key, you insert it back in the same hole, it'll give it a little jiggle, and the top cover, the key fob cover, should come off, and inside you'll see the battery. You give it a little shake, or just sometimes just comes up easily. You give it a little tap, and there it is. You bring the new battery in, insert it the same way that the old one was in. You put you give it a little click. You put the black cover back on and close it. You know, a little pop. Take the old mechanical key, you put that back in, so it's security locked, and that is your project. You're all done.